In this video, we'll walk through how to add and manage staff using the Staff module. Start by going to Workforce, then select Add Staff under the Staff section. The Add New Staff form will appear, where you can enter the staff member's details. First, enter the staff name, followed by their phone number and email address. Next, fill in the address of the staff member. You can then enter identification details, such as ADHAR number, voter ID, and PAN number. After that, specify the staff member's experience and designation. Select the staff status, which indicates whether the staff member is currently active or inactive. Next, choose the type of staff, such as internal or external, and select the appropriate department. You can also enter the staff member's highest qualification and add the spoken languages they are comfortable with. If required, upload the staff member's CV and contract documents using the upload options provided. Finally, fill in the bank name and branch name for payment or payroll purposes. Once all the information has been entered, save the form to add the staff member to the system. After adding staff, you can view and manage them in the staff directory. In the staff directory, all staff members are displayed in a card format showing their name, email, and department. You can quickly locate staff members using the search bar, which allows you to search by name, email, or department. Additionally, you can filter the list using the status filter or department filter to find specific staff members. Each staff card also displays the staff member's current status indicator, making it easy to identify active or inactive staff at a glance. This directory helps you manage your workforce efficiently by providing a clear and organized overview of all staff members in the system.